Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm bringing you guys another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these DIY lash extensions from home. They're super quick to do, they're super cute, they're cheap. I'll save you some coins for sure. These lashes, if I take care of them, if I don't get them wet or anything, I can wear them for like about a week. I usually get kind of like antsy and I just take them off. I feel like the need to like rub my eyes, but I'll usually remove them after about like 4 days. But you can definitely hang on to them for like a week. There's a bunch of different kits out there. They come with like the lashes and everything. This is the one that I use. It's called Lashify. You can get like the starter kit. It comes with 2 bonds, the dual-sided bond. It comes with glass, and then it comes with a wand. I purchased separately some like stronger adhesives just to give me like the longest, like the strongest hold. And then the lashes that I get, you can get lashes anywhere. I got a pack. This is actually one of my favorite ones. This one I got off of like Amazon. It's called Boulder Mincer. I'll link them down below. It comes like in it's a mess right now, but it comes in like a whole bunch of different lengths. It comes in like 16, 14, 12, 10, and 8. And they're kind of like spiky. These are like some Lily lashes that I got from Ulta. Some more Lily lashes from Ulta. These are, shoot, where were these? I've even seen them in like, at like the Dollar Tree and like different lengths and everything too. So this is everything I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the pre-cleanse to clean my natural lashes, the white whisper light, the bondage, the night bond sealer, the glass, and a comb or a brush, and then of course the wand. So after cleaning my natural lashes and allowing them to fully dry, I shake up the bondage, which is the strongest bond of them all, and then I apply this to my lashes. It should look like a very light coat of mascara. Really focus this at the base of your lashes. Make sure you get this on each and every lash. I kind of got some in my eyes there. It's harmless if it gets in your eye, but just try to avoid that. So while that gets tacky, I'm gonna start lightly coating the false lashes with the white whisper light. Less is more with these bonds, so don't apply too much because it's just gonna take longer to dry and it's gonna get all messy. So it's a light layer. So I apply the glue to them and then I lay out my lash map first so that they can all be tacky and ready to apply one after another, saving me time. I'm going for like a cat eye look, so the outer lashes are going to be the longest. 2 16s, 2 14s, a 12, and a 10. So of course apply the longest one to the outer corner, if that's the look that you're going to. You know they're ready to apply when the color of the bond or the glue starts to kind of turn transparent. I make sure that my natural top and bottom lashes aren't stuck together. And then I place the lashes about 1 centimeter or 2 away from my waterline. Because if you apply them too close or on top of your waterline, it's gonna 1, cause discomfort, and then 2, the lashes are just gonna slide right off. So don't be afraid to leave a comfortable distance there. You won't be able to tell, I promise. You can lift your eyelid up for a clear sight of your lash line, and I overlap the corners of the fake lashes so that there's no gaps or sparse looking areas. They should each adhere right on, just like Velcro. If not, then your bond is either not dry enough or overly dry or you didn't use enough. And then every 2 to 3 lashes I'm fusing by just pressing them together with the wand. And remember, you can create your own lash map. You can make them as natural or as full as you want. This is just my kind of go-to. You can apply a whole nother layer underneath this if you want like more volume. Going back to my other eye really quick. lashes are applied. So now I'm going to take the night bond. If this is the last bond, I apply this to the seams, like the underneath of the lashes. You can do this daily for more longevity. It's just like an extra little adhesive. So I apply that to each side, and then I let it dry for a couple of seconds. I'm going to fully fuse the lash. This is going to smush all that night bond together. Okay, so now I'm going to fuse the full lash to hold them in place while I comb through to get rid of any clumps. This is kind of tricky. You kind of just have to play around with your angles, but it looks so much better. The lashes look a little more fluffy and there's no like glue lumps in there. So silly me, I thought I was done here, but I played myself. The very last step is to use the glass. This is pretty important. It takes rid of that, it gets rid of that sticky residue that's still on your lashes so that you can blink comfortably. And that is all, but keep watching so that I can explain the removal process. Now when I'm going to remove them, I shower with very warm water so you can kind of loosen up the bonds. And then I try to use some type of oil. There is a melt-away that I have. I don't have it right now. There is like another bottle like this of the melt-away that actually, you can pour it onto like a cotton ball, let it just soak on your eye for a little bit, and then you can just remove them right off. So if you made it to the end of this video, stop right there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Share it too. Share it with your mom, share it with your grandma, share it with your lunch lady, share it with the bus driver. Turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every time that I post. And stay tuned because I have much more in store for you. Bye.